children. Today we are going to learn about transporting human. That is just to be discussed about the parts of the heart in the previous class. Parts of the heart, you know very well that the first two are called as left atrium and right atrium, and the down one are called as ventricles. And here you can see a vein which is the right side, that is called as tricuspid wall, and here you can see that left side there is a vein where the blood is being passed, that is called as bicuspid wall. So here we can see that these left and right are being separated. Left and right are being separated by a septum, and here this heart is being protected by the pericardium. It is a layer, and here in between the heart layer and the pericardial layer there will be a pericardial fluid. And here you can see that the vein which is being here is pulmonary artery, and then the vein from ventricle is a big main aorta which is being branched into many arteries. Once again, why I am repeating this, you should know the parts of the heart first, then only you can understand. And here your right side you can see superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Why you have to talk about the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava means here downside the blood will be collected by the inferior vena cava from legs, and from head the up portion superior vena cava will be collecting the blood. So like this you can see that how the heart is being divided into different parts. Here you can see pulmonary vein which is going to bring the blood from the lungs and pour into the left atrium, and here you can see pulmonary artery, the pulmonary artery which carries the impure blood to the lungs for the purification. This is about the heart parts, how it is going to work, that we have to learn today. So here when we see the heart is said to be as we are just calling it as a pump, and not, it is not it is a pump, but it is a double pump. It is acting like a double pump. When it is acting like a double pump, here you can see that always the heart works independently, which is being divided right side and left side. So here first of all we are going to learn about how it is acting like a double pump. Double pump means when we come to this left side atrium and left side ventricle, you can see the pure blood is being circulated in this, and where it is coming from the pulmonary vein. So this is the connection which is being connected to pulmonary vein which is being connected to these lungs. From lungs it is going to get into the through the pulmonary vein, it enters into this. So it is one single pump here. First part of the pump left side you can see, second part of the pump you can see right side. So right side always the right side part is always the heart part which is going to pump the blood to only lungs, except lungs, only lungs. But here left side of the heart is going to pump oxygenated blood, except lungs it is going to pump to all the parts of the body. So here you have to remember, note that except lungs is left side, only into the lungs is right side. Right side pump, here you can see right side here and left side. Like this you can see, except lungs means here only left side pure blood is going to distribute, and here right side only the blood is going to collect and pour into the lungs. It is being distributed. So here you can see that the blood is said to be as two things, that is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. So always I said that impure blood and pure blood, but here we are going to talk about oxygenated blood means where the oxygen is going to be mixed with the blood is called as oxygenated blood. So here deoxygenated blood means the carbon dioxide which is being gathered from all the body parts and procured by the blood called as deoxygenated blood. So heart will be working as a double pump. That is heart is being divided into two parts, right side and left side. Now we are going to learn about the mechanism of heart or working of the heart. Working of the heart, I want to explain you how the actually the heart is going to work. How the heart is going to work. First of all, we can see that how the heart is working. It is working like a pump. So the rhythmic contraction and relaxation takes place always continuously throughout our life is called as heartbeat. So within this heartbeat, you can see that how the heart is going to pump the blood to different parts. So first of all, we will go for left side. This how it is going to work. So when first thing is we will go for relaxation. Relaxation of heart. Relaxation of heart means here when the relaxation takes place automatically, you can see what happens at the left side. Left side you can see the pulmonary artery. When it relaxes, the pulmonary artery is going to bring the blood and pour into the left atrium. When left atrium is being contracted, automatically it enters into the left ventricle. From left ventricle you can see that there will be a way to these aorta, and this is a big vein aorta which is being connected, and it is pushed through these aorta, and there are various branches which are being further divided and called as arteries, and these arteries are distribute the blood to various parts. So left side of the heart, when it contracts, you can see that the blood is when it relaxed, you can see pulmonary artery is poured in this, and immediately you can see it enters into the ventricle. From ventricle to aorta. From aorta is further distributed to different parts of the body, the human body. And here at the same time, you can see that the next thing is contraction takes place. When contraction takes place, what happens is automatically you can see right side, all this blood which is being collected from all the parts, the vena cava is going to, superior vena cava is going to throw the blood into the main vein. It is also called as main vein. Main vein is going to collect the impure blood, that is deoxygenated blood is collected from the body parts and poured into the right atrium. From right atrium, automatically it moves to the right ventricle. From right ventricle, again when the ventricle contracts, you can see that there is a connection between with the pipes through the ventricle. This ventricle contracts, the blood pushes with the pressure into the pulmonary artery. This pulmonary artery is going to collect the impure blood and send it to the lungs. It goes into the lungs. When it goes into the lungs for purification, and then these carbon dioxide is being procured into the lungs, and by breathing or by respiration it moves outside. So this is about the working of the heart. One contraction, one relaxation makes the blood to same time simultaneously it goes on. Why? Because two auricles, or you can say it as atrium, these two will be contracted, and immediately simultaneously you can go for ventricles also contracts. So the same time you can see that total heart is being once relaxed, once contracted. Meanwhile, left side work will be done, that it sends the impure blood, left side pure blood, right side impure blood. Like that, this heart will be like working like a double pump. So you have to draw the diagram of this heart and write the parts and working of the heart, how it goes on, how the muscles of the heart contracts and relaxes to distribute the blood to all the parts and to send the blood to the lungs for purification. And I will be giving some homework assignment you have to do.